Hey guys, what's going on? It's Low for Low Nose back at you with another Tech Take, and today we are taking a look at this tire inflator power bank by a company's name that I'm not going to even try to pronounce, but their X22 version, 150 PSI this tire inflator does. Now, why is it so important to have a tire inflator? Why do you need one inside of your car? Well, just imagine, let's just say you got a flat tire or you've got a slow leak in your tire and you're trying to get from point A to point B. And maybe point B is maybe a place to replace your tire or maybe to even patch your tire. Well, a tire inflator is the perfect thing to have inside of your car because it's portable and wireless, and you can just add air to your tire between those stops to actually getting there without causing any additional damage to your car. On top of that, let's just say you can drive and you forgot to charge your smartphone. Well, with the included power bank, you can charge your smartphone or your smart devices until help comes along. So let's take a closer look at this. I'm not going to try to pronounce it, but the tire inflator slash power bank. All right, so here you have your instruction manual. Different ways of how to use it. Once you get yourself going, it's really simple and easy to use. You have a different air pressure table for references, all the way from a cargo truck to a rugby ball sport. So again, you can use this for your vehicle, basketball, football, soccer balls, even inflatable rafts. You can blow that up with the different attachments that you will see later. So make sure you take a look at this. You also have a portable carrying case to store your tire inflator power bank, so you're not damaging that. Keep that inside here and leave it in your car, in the trunk, glove compartment, or whatever. Just make sure you're protecting that. You also have the star of the show, your X22 150 PSI tire inflator power bank right here. And I just like the look and feel of this thing. This is not saying cheap in any kind of way. This is rugged, durable, and especially if you want to, give this like a, I don't know, like your dad or a brother or an uncle or something. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice looking power bank. You bring it out of the trunk or the glove compartment, everyone's gonna be like, yo, what's that? It's my tire inflator and power bank. So yeah, we'll get to this shortly so I can show you the functions of this. But in the meantime, you have a key on the back to show you what all the buttons do. And look at this, the battery's not inside there, and I'll show you why shortly. All right, so now you have your accessory box, and inside your accessory box, you have two long cable air hoses, one for the tire, your traditional. You can also put the attachments right there as well, and one for your traditional, your bike, if you want to put air in a bike. So we can just put these to the side. Actually, for now, I'll go ahead and I'll just screw this on the top. You also have a USB-A to USB-C cable to charge the power bank of your tire inflator, AC adapter to connect it to the wall if you wanted to, your attachments to inflate other devices, and you have your power bank right here, which is a 7,800 milliamp power bank to charge your smartphone and also power your tire inflator. Now, check this out. It doesn't have to be inside of the tire inflator to use the power bank. And we'll get to our next accessory to show you that. So I'm going to charge my phone right here. I'll just place this right here. Of course, you have your out here to charge devices, and you have your input to actually charge the power bank. And I'm going to go ahead and just charge this directly. And now my smartphone's being charged by this powerful portable power bank. And what I can do is I can just take this and just slide it directly into there. And now it's providing power to my power bank just like that. Now, of course, you always run at the chance of the power bank running out of power, right? Well, they have this 13-foot power cord that connects to the, I think it's the 12-volt socket of your car, or maybe like the cigarette lighter, that will actually power the tire inflator without the use of the power bank. So you could separately charge your phone separately, plug this in to your car, and charge it. Again, 13 feet, so you have plenty of room to get to the front tire, the back tire on both sides. Okay, so let's go ahead, put it back in, and I'll give you a quick demonstration of this, and I'll give you another demonstration outside. Okay, so you already saw before, this is your eject button for the bottom. To turn it on, hold down the power button for 3 seconds. As it comes on, here you can press the cycle button to switch between the different presets. So right now we have it on car. That's a person, so you can pick like an individual, right? Basketball, sports ball, your bicycle, a motorcycle, and then back to your car. And of course, you can tweak it by going up and down with the plus and minus button. Now you also have a warning light as well. So if you press this button, you'll have a red light that flashes kind of like an SOS signal. You have a different pulses to get people's attention or turn it off. Press the light, and now you have a flashlight, and press it again. You can turn it off. And here you have a deflate button. Now you were just pressing the top, and the air actually comes out. You look on the top, of course, you saw the lights where it actually was, the red light and the white light, which was actually really bright. And of course, you have vents here letting air out or pulling air in very conveniently. All right, so we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna deflate my tire and I'm gonna bring it back up. It claims to inflate regular tires in under a minute, under 56 seconds, because it inflates really fast. And I'll show you some other examples of inflating a basketball and also some floats as well for kids. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is take out the air of my tire. And I can just hold the deflate button until it's done. All right, so right now it says that my tire pressure is about 13.5, so we're gonna stop around there. And on my car, it says that I should be hitting around 35 PSI. So I'm gonna set it to 35. Okay, it's on car, and by default it's on 35. And I'll just go ahead and press the power button and get it started. All right, it is done, and it stopped by itself once it hit its targeted mark of 35, so 35 PSI, so that's a good thing. Did it do it under a minute? No, it didn't, absolutely not. But of course, this is a tire towards a minivan, and so I'm not sure if that minute was for a specific type of tire. And of course, I kind of deflated this all the way to 13 PSI, so it had a ways to go. All right, let's try something else. Now on a very deflated basketball, I'm going to take the basketball attachment. We'll then pick the basketball, which is 8 PSI, and we'll go from there. Now let's try it on a kiddie float. There we go. All right, final thoughts. Okay, so my final thoughts. Number one, it does withstand the elements. I just hope my camera does as well. Number two, I really like the cord here. It's very tough, so it's not knotting up or getting tangled, so no air is passing through. I like that as well. I didn't see it in the beginning, but at night, the buttons here glow so you can see what you're actually pressing, so that's a plus. Now, as far as the rate of inflation, well, again, it's gonna depend on how big the tire is and how much air needs to be put inside the tire to get to that 56 max. But I realized throughout the entire usage of when putting this video together, I used about half of the battery from this 7,800 milliamp battery. For me, I think when it comes to inflating your tires, yes, you can do maybe 1 or 2 tires with the battery, but depending on how flat they are, but I would probably go with this all the way. So I'm leaving the battery for charging smart devices on the side, either for me or maybe for the kids, whatever. But I really appreciate that it offers this to charge, to power the tire inflator without using the battery, because so many other devices like this, you don't even have an option. It's just straight up the battery just by itself, and that's it. All right, that is the X22 tire inflator and power bank. Really hope this video helped you out. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own X22. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here. And also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.